Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be very amazing because in this video I am going to teach you how you can convert your hand-drawn sketches or drawings into digital pictures, or you can say into real images with the help of just one click, with the help of this AI tool that I am going to reveal in this video today. So I'm talking about UI Zert. Let me show UIZert.io. Basically it's an AI based website where you can upload your hand drawn sketches, and then it will convert into actual images. Okay, and it is multi-purpose website, like you can do a lot of things with this website. I will show you step by step. Okay, first of all, let's sign up for free. So this is the overall layout of this website, and it's amazing one, and it's easy to use. So I'm going to sign up with my Google. Select my account and I will click on continue. So that's how my account will be created in just a few clicks on the app.user.io. Okay, so I'm going to check this, and I will accept the terms and condition. Now I have to fill this as well. Let's do this. Okay, so it's going to be personal for personal use, just for fun, because I just wanted to make a video, so I'll just skip it for now, and Twitter, and then I'll click on skip for now, and that's how you will be all set up for your account with the dashboard, and it will take you to the workspace. So I will continue with the free account, free package. So here I will upload one of my sketches. I draw a handmade bicycle, like I draw it with my pencil, and now we will just continue to use it, and here you will see screen. Okay, so I clicked on the screen button, and here you will see in the left corner at the bottom magic option. Okay, and here you can see that you can generate new project, generate multi-screen designs from a simple text prompt. You can generate single screens and UI from a text prompt. Other than that, you can also generate images, you can generate theme, and the wireframe scanner, it's one of our choice, like turn your hand-drawn sketches and wireframe into them. So we are going to explore today this one. You can also connect your other accounts like Figma. Okay, so I'm going for the wireframe scanner. Just close it down here and select it desktop, and now I will upload an image. Okay, let me navigate. This is the image. So I have uploaded the image here, and then I'll press the enter button, and then it will start processing. Okay, so let me check it again, try again. Okay, let's start a new chat. We want to do wireframe scanner. So finally here you can see that our photo is now uploaded successfully. I just refreshed the page, and now it has uploaded our photo, and now it's working on this, and it will just take a few seconds, and it's saying now it's done. Let's see how it has done. It has created something else. Let's correct it with modify with AI. Let's write a command, convert it into actual picture. Let's see. I don't know why this is happening, but most of the time it just convert back into a real image through your drawing. So finally, after making a couple of tries, it has created this kind of photo, and you can look at this. It looks really amazing. So that's how you can use app.uizer.io for converting your drawings into real photos. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.